Well, I would like to say happy Valentine's to my family, especially my wife.
Me, my children.
Tashika, Biga, my mother. And my lovely daughter, Akela.
Greetings to my two nice, clean son, Dilshan and Inziman. I'm a clean, nice husband, Everton. Yeah, I'm a loving mother. Big up on yourself. Happy Valentine when it comes, darling. Love you.
My mother husband, Clifton Wellington in St. Elizabeth. Happy Valentine Day to you. I love you, my mother husband, and I always love you. Pete in St. Elizabeth. From Icolin. Love you, Pete. Good.
Alright, we say look, Valentine greeting to Nadia, right?
Greeting to my husband, Righteous. We're selling Coronation Market. Greeting to my pastors and his wife, Pastor Allen and Lady Allen. Greeting to my churches and brother.
Greetings to my son, Gregory, my niece, Mushe. Yeah, my sister, Angela, my niece, Tasha, and all of my family.